Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, so I'm Isha Agrawal. I make videos related to makeup, skincare and hair care. If you like my content, stay connected with my channel. So without any further delay, let's get into this video. So as you know, in today's video, we are going to learn this makeup look with some products only. So let's start the video. So after cleansing, the first part is toning, and I am using gulab gel as a toner. So after applying toner, I will wait for at least 2 to 3 minutes. So after toning, I will use my moisturizer, and I use baby cream as a moisturizer. So इसको लगाने के बाद भी हम 2-3 मिनट का वेट करेंगे, and then we will move to another step. So after applying my moisturizer, I am using N by Bay concealer to correct my undertone. And I will use a normal blender to blend with. So it's a monsoon tip. Don't use a damp blender on monsoons. So now मैंने उसे बहुत अच्छे से blend कर लिया है. So the next part is applying foundation on my skin, and I am going very light with my foundation. I don't want, और मुझे ना बहुत ज़्यादा ओवर मेकअप नहीं चाहिए, तो मैं बहुत ही लाइट वेट फाउंडेशन यूज़ कर रही हूँ, which is LE18. I love this foundation. Now I'm gonna apply अब मैंने अपना फाउंडेशन लगा लिया है, तो I will use my red lipstick as a blush. And I will blend this with my fingers. अंडर आई एरिया में भी थोड़ा सा मैं इसको लगाऊंगी. Blend this. So now for face locking, I am using my loose powder, the Johnson Baby loose powder, and I will apply it with my blender only. I will apply it all over my face. So जब तक ये सेट हो रहा है, let's do eyes. The first thing I will use is LE18 eyeliner. This is just cheap and affordable, and this is nice also. So let's just apply this. So I am applying my eyeliner. मैं मस्कारा लगा रही हूँ. अपने घर के पास के लोकल स्टोर से लिया है मैंने. Now I am taking this Swiss Beauty color pencil. This is in green color, and now I will apply it on my lower lash line of the eyes and on the corner of the eyes. So now I will take this Himalaya kajal and I will apply it on my eye. So now I will take my nude shade normal lipstick and I will apply it on my lips. So now I will apply this liquid lipstick. And you are done. जो भी आपका एक्स पाउडर है आप उसे अपना पाउडर ब्रश लेके उसे रब कर दें। अगर आपके पास पाउडर ब्रश नहीं है तो आप अपनी हैंकी ले लें और ऐसे करके उसे हटा दें, बट मैंने अपने पाउडर ब्रश से अपना एक्स पाउडर हटा दिया है। So this is the final look and that's it for today's video. If you like my content, stay connected with my channel and do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Bye.